Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you a small screw camera box set from SmallRig. This specific one I brought from eBay, but you can buy it directly from SmallRig if you wish. For this one I paid, I believe, around £8, but I may be wrong. But you should be able to see the ad, the post ad any second in your screen now. So what I'm going to do is show you the box around, and then of course show you the contents of the box itself. The first impression I get from the box is very high quality. It feels like even the paper that is used is a very good quality paper. So this would be the front, the name of the brand, some information here about the location, nothing on the side, on the other side nothing, and then they have information about their social media if you search SmallRig. Now on the back some other information, SmallRig screw set for camera, and that's it pretty much. So let's just open it. It opens very easily. You slide it left or right. So this is the one part. Leave that on the side. Again, some other information here. SmallRig, big dream. No other information. Some other information on the back. Again, it has a sticker here. I already cut the sticker out just to save time. You can use a scissor or a knife. Again, open. The product itself is very safely packaged, so they have paid a lot of attention in the packaging, from what you can see. So they have paid a lot of attention. So let's just open it and get it out. Again, they've used one of these plastic bags to put it in. This is some information here, and then they have also used bubble wrap as well. So they have went to a great extent to make sure that the product is safe and in one place. And so what you're getting is 8 different types of camera screws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open them and show you exactly what you're getting. So you're getting 4 small ones, or a lot of different small ones. You get 4, I believe those are 5. You get 4 bigger ones. And some other. So you get different types. Now you might question how you can use those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. So this is a housing for my Canon M50. So again, you can use a lot of LED lights, microphones, whatever you wish for the project you are doing. But this specific housing has a lot of screw holes, and you need specific screws to actually lock stuff in place. This specific one I bought on eBay, and it's from a brand called Yelalongku. Again, I'm sorry if I don't prefer that correctly, but I got it from them, and most likely will make a future video to actually showcasing this specific one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to see how many of these specific screws can I fit in this specific housing. So if we start from the biggest one, which is that one. So let's see. So that one would fit in there. Then we go to the next, which looks like that. Again, as you can see, fits in there. So this is the third screw. Let's see where that will go. This would fit in another hole. So we have 3 so far. So there is this one as well. Let's see, that's slightly bigger. So that fitted as well. So we have 4 screws so far that have fitted in the housing. So different types, different sizes. And let's see if we can fit any more. Again, you get everything in a small package, so everything is in one place, and you can hang it if you want. So this is the other one. So this is the 5th screw. So let's see, again, this would go to something smaller, I believe. So let's see. Actually, it didn't fit in one of those, but it fitted in on the side. But actually, we have fitted so far 5 screws. So again, different type of products, microphones, LED lights, stands, whatever that might be. let's see if we can use, there's another one which is very small, but let's see if we can fit that somewhere. So this is the one. So I believe this is the 6th screw. So out of 8 8 different types you get, this is the 6. So far we have fitted 8. I'm sorry, we have fitted 6 out of 8. Sorry, 5. So we are trying the 6th one now. No, there's no place. So the 6th one, which is this one, there's no place in the actual this specific housing that that screw would go. So this one and the smaller ones, so those ones, those 3 wouldn't fit, but the 4th one towards the 8th, they would fit all of them would fit normally. Different types for different things. Again, it's a good investment depending on the accessories you got for the housing you get, or you can get a different housing and you get different different screws. They do feel of high quality. I didn't have an issue. You see, very quickly they went in their places. I mean, they are allocated places based on the accessory you have. But again, I use this as an example of this specific housing. You might choose a different housing. I'm not entirely sure if SmallRig is a big brand or a small brand, but the quality here is just amazing. They pay a lot of attention making the product packaged very nicely, and as you can see, literally you have to go through 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to actually get to the box itself, and the actual box is like very sturdy and solid. So this is the SmallRig screw set 4 camera from SmallRig. Again, check at the beginning of the video for the post ad if you would like to get one of them. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.